What do you think is the spookiest or scariest bird? Well, lots of people have different thoughts on what the scariest bird is. Some people think it's this type of bird called a shoebill, and I could definitely see why some people think it's the scariest. Because when you listen to its sound, it looks like somebody's firing a machine gun at you, but then you turn around just to see that it's a prehistoric dinosaur-looking bird. That also scares you. Other people think it's owls because, especially with some of their facial features, they can turn out to be kind of creepy in the darkness of the night. But personally, I think if I were walking in the forest at night, if there was any bird that would creep me out the most, it wouldn't be an owl. It would probably be a bird called the patoo. Because this bird is particularly scary because when you listen to it, it can sound like a human doing some weird vocalization in the middle of the night. Because it's also a nocturnal bird and has pretty big eyes. But it's not an owl. So if I were to hear this sound, and then I turn around and I see two big yellow eyes staring right into my soul, I would probably get pretty scared. But if I heard a shoebill behind me,